Dear viewers, first thing first, when the Bolsheviks took over and founded USSR, they ingrained chess into the fabric of society, believing the game represented revolutionary ideas and it was logical and strategic. The Indian Army Chief, Upendra Dwivedi, too, is talking a lot about chess while talking about the woefully flawed Operation Sindoor. Dear viewers, before I say anything more about India's Army Chief, let's listen into him first.
And if you're able to come back, it's okay, otherwise stay there. But that is the thing which we talk about, the conventional approach. Here the gray zone is any activity which is taking place in all domains. That is something which we are talking about, and Op Sindhu taught us that this is the gray zone. So we were making the chess moves. He was also making the chess moves. Somewhere we were giving him checkmate, and somewhere we were kind of going in for the kill, at the risk of even losing our own, but that's the way life is all about. And since Op Sindoor, you may be actually saturated by seeing the TV and the parliamentary debates. So I will not spend much time on that.
General Dwivedi often called on his guru in his military uniform to tell the world that India's army is no longer a secular army. It is now a fully Saffronized army. It is interesting to note that the mentor of General Dwivedi not only insults the low or lower caste co-religionists, he also denigrates even certain categories of Brahmin, such as Dikshit, Shubes, Upadhyas, describing them as low Brahmins.
ब्राह्मणों अधम ब्राह्मणों की चर्चा चलाई गई। हमारे यहाँ कुछ ब्राह्मण सरयू पारणों में अच्छे नहीं माने, उनके यहाँ ऊंचे कुल के लोग अपनी बेटी नहीं देते। उपाध्याय और चौबे, त्रिगुणायत, दीक्षित और पाठक, इनको इसलिए अधम मानते हैं हम लोग कि इन्होंने विद्यार्थियों से पैसा लेकर पढ़ाया, इसलिए हमने इनको अधम ब्राह्मण मान लिया। बिल्कुल हमारा स्वभाव है। इनके यहाँ हम बेटी नहीं देते और न इनके यहाँ से बेटी लेते। क्यों लेते हैं? हम विद्यार्थी का एक पैसा भी लेना गोमांस के बराबर समझते हैं।
Dear viewers, it is interesting to note that India's Naval Chief Admiral Dinesh Tripathi too is a Saryupiran Brahmin. This leads to the question whether the right-wing government India has decided to go against Manusmriti and other Sanatan sacred injunctions because they are expected to fulfill several key roles in society. They are, for example, responsible for educating others and preserving sacred knowledge. They are also required to conduct important rituals and ceremonies. Brahmins, the priestly class who often serve advisors to rulers, are not supposed to be associated with warfares. The Kshatriya is the only designated Varna for military rules. However, neither India's army chief nor naval chief is a Kshatriya, as both are Brahmins. In fact, Saryupiran Brahmins like Amitabh Bachchan. Minia Zabud Zainab Sarfraz Ahmad, Karachi, Pakistan. Ana Zainab Sarfraz Ahmad, Karachi, Pakistan.